What's up, guys? I'm back with another review. Today we got Saucy. I think it says on the cup, Saucy. This place opened right by Waterford. It was under construction for like a month. I don't know what it is, and there was no information about it online. And all of a sudden it opens, and it's just KFC with sauces, all boneless chicken. So I finally made my way out there tonight. Here we go. They didn't have that many options. There was like 11 sauces. 11 sauces. There was like, you can get chicken tenders, what I got, and then you can get like subs, like little like chicken sandwiches. Like, you know when you like take garlic bread at like Zaxby's or something, you like make a like chicken sandwich out of it. They just did that on their own. So far, not impressed with the presentation. Not like nothing, no special branding on it. Yeah, I can literally see it's just like a normal cardboard box. Maybe they ran out of the nice ones. I don't know. Weird that it came in a black bag too. Kind of, I don't know. Nothing special there. We got 4 ranches today. We got, of course, the Saucy sauce. Couldn't go without that. We got the Saucy Ranch, the sweet teriyaki, and then the peri peri ranch. That's what we got going on today. And then I got sweet tea for my drink. There were only 5 drink options. There's only tea, water, Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, and Starry. That's it. That's the only drink options. All right, let's open her up. Okay, looks good. I'm impressed so far. The garlic bread looks good. Coleslaw is nice. It's kind of warm. Fries look good, and then there's the chicken. I got 6 pieces. It was also expensive. This place was $17 for six pieces, what you just saw, and then the 4 sauces. 2 sauces come with the meal, and the other 2 I got on my own. Okay. I guess I'll start with the fry. Try one more. Okay. The fries are good. The fries are really good, yeah. No, they did a good job with those. They're kind of like, what's the word? I don't know, they're a little floppy, like, yeah. Probably been sitting around for like half an hour now, so it might be my fault, but if you don't eat them fresh, they end up a little floppy. We're good. Probably not gonna try the coleslaw. I don't really care. Yeah, we're on garlic bread now. I saw them making this in the back. It was just like a big piece of like bread and just cut it up. It looks good. It's also a little flimsy. Yeah, it's gonna sound weird. Kind of tastes like French toast. It's kind of like a more like buttery version of French toast. I don't know if French toast has any butter on it, but it feels like that. Yeah, I stick with that. It's good though. It's unique. It's not the usual usual garlic bread I have. All right. Now for the chicken. Guys. The moment we've all been waiting for. I guess I gotta start with the saucy sauce. You know, there's like no napkins with this either. That's kind of like a problem. I didn't give any napkins. I waited 40 minutes for this. I kept getting honked at in the car line. That was awesome. Yeah. All right. Piece of chicken. chicken. Looks good. Looks standard. I never really eat KFC normally, so I don't know if this is what it normally looks like. It's good. It's good. It's like your Chick-fil-A sauce. It's like every main sauce for a restaurant. Pretty standard. It's good though. Yeah. I like it. It's fine. Alright, yeah. Now we got the, I guess I'll go with the ranch. So, there was like 5 or 6 ranch options on the menu. I don't know why. But, that's what we're working with. So, I figured I'd go with the saucy ranch, because they clearly like their ranch. It must be good. I don't like that. That's not good. That's not it. It's like, it's kind of like sour cream. It's like if I dipped chicken in sour cream. I don't know. Let me try again. I've got in for another bite. Yeah, it's I mean, it's not bad, but yeah, I think that's the best way I can describe it. It feels like dipping chicken in sour cream. So if that sounds good to you, I guess I'll get the ranch. Okay. Now I'm gonna go with the peri peri ranch. I don't know why I got this. It just felt right. Another ranch, one of like the 5. Sure. That one's okay. There's a little bit of a kick to it, like a little tiny bit. But besides that, it's just fine. I don't really know how to describe it. I'm gonna go for another bite. I don't know why I'm blue on that. Like it was hot. I don't know. I need to try another bite. I don't know how I feel about this. Yeah, I mean, it's just okay. It just feels like there's a little bit of a kick to it. Besides that, it tastes like chicken, like normal KFC chicken. Yeah. And last, we're gonna try this sweet teriyaki. I'm curious about this one. I'm like, how does that go with this? Got some on my hands. Ugh. That's easily the best one. That one's really good. Yeah, that one's really good. I mean, it's literally just teriyaki sauce. Yeah. It's nothing special. It's nothing unique, but it's really good. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good. Like, Big upgrade from what was there. I used to see people eat from that Chick-fil-A, well, not Chick-fil-A, KFC. It didn't look very good. This is pretty good. It's kind of like Zaxby format now. I don't know. I like it. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.